Hi, how was your weekend? It was, okay. I stayed at home and watched some TV. That's nice. I went hiking with my friends. By the way, what kind of shows do you like to watch? I like to watch comedies and documentary. Ah, cool. I'm a big fan of comedies too. Have you seen the latest one with that famous actor? I think so, maybe not. I'm not sure. It's all right. So, what do you like to do for fun? Well, sometimes I read books and have you ever found yourself in a situation like this girl where you struggle to answer even the simplest questions in English and you feel embarrassed? If this girl is you, then it's high time that you focus on upskilling your communication game. Welcome to another episode of Speak Better, Write Better. Today we have a common but essential topic that will help you to sound more fluent in English. We will provide you with 10 practical ways to respond to questions confidently in English, whether you are in a casual conversation, a small talk, or even in interviews, so you can give responsible responses from now on. Active listening. When someone asks you a question, focus on what they are saying. Don't interrupt. Let them finish speaking. This allows you to fully understand the question and respond appropriately. Clarify if you are unsure. It's perfectly fine to ask for a clarification if the question is unclear or if you need more information to provide a precise answer. This helps avoid misunderstandings. Speak clearly and at a moderate pace. Enunciate your words and don't rush. Speaking slowly and clearly ensures your response is easy to understand, especially if you have an accent or you are still improving your English. Use appropriate vocabulary. Customize your language to your audience. In casual conversations, avoid using complex or technical terms that others may not understand. Use words and phrases that everyone can comprehend. Be concise. Give a brief and to the point answer. Avoid giving lengthy explanations that can confuse the listener. Keep it simple and straightforward. Stay on topic. Stick to the subject of the question. Don't drift into unrelated topics or share too much information. Keeping your response relevant shows that you are a good communicator. Mind your grammar and pronunciation. Good grammar and pronunciation are essential for clear communication. Practice these aspects to minimize errors. If you are unsure about the correct way to say something, it's worth looking it up or asking for help. Think before you speak. Before responding, take a moment to gather your thoughts. Think about how you want to structure your response and the key points you want to convey. This will help you to avoid stumbling over your words and provide a clear answer. Use nonverbal cues. Your body language can complement your spoken response. Maintain eye contact, use gestures when appropriate, and show engagement through facial expressions. These nonverbal cues can enhance the clarity of your communication. Ask for feedback. After you have answered the question, you can ask the listener if your response was clear or if they have any more questions. This shows your commitment to effective communication and gives you the opportunity to learn from any errors or misunderstandings. It's all right. So, what do you like to do for fun? Well, I read books and sometimes I go for a walk. What about you? That sounds relaxing. I enjoy reading too. Have you read any good books recently? Not really. I have recently started one, but I haven't finished it yet. We all have our own pace. Keep reading, you'll finish it. Just like this girl who followed these 10 practical ways to respond to questions confidently in English to upskill her communication game, you can do it too. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes. What matters is that you keep on improving. So, keep on practicing and soon you'll also be a fluent and confident English speaker. Stay tuned for more tips on how to speak better, write better.